Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel, watch the videos and participate with competitive world. The largest river in the world is here. The five alternatives, that's character A Nils, character B Brahmaputra, character C Amazon, character D Mississippi, and character E is Volga. Out of five alternatives, we saw that character C is the correct answer. So the correct answer is Amazon. Which ocean divided America and Europe? The five alternatives: character A Pacific, character B Arctic, character C Atlantic, character D Southern, and character E Caspian. So the out of five alternatives, we saw that the character C is correct, Atlantic. So the correct answer is Atlantic Ocean. Which of the following is not an agency of United Nations? Here the five alternatives: character A ILO, character B WHO, character C ASEAN, character D UNICEF, and character E, that's UNESCO. So the out of five alternatives, we saw that character C is correct, ASEAN. So the correct answer is ASEAN. Which of the categories of Nobel Prize was not originally included in the Wheel of Alfred Nobel? Here are the five alternatives: character A Physics, character B Chemistry, character C Physics, character D Medical Science, and character E, that's Economic Science. Here out of five alternatives, we saw that character E is correct. So the correct answer is Economic Science. What is the elaboration of PRSP? Here we saw that the character A is correct, Poverty Reduction Strategy Paper. Here also character B Population Reduction Strategy Papers, character C Poverty Reduction Synthetic Papers, and character D Population Reduction Synthesis Papers, and character E is Power Reduction Strategy Paper. The first Bangladeshi woman who climbed the world's highest peak, the Mount Everest, is. Here out of five alternatives, character A is Nishat Mazumdar, character B Wasfiya Nazreen, character C Nishat Nazreen, character D Wasfiya Mazumdar, and character E is Runa Yasmin. So the out of five alternatives, we see that character A is correct, Nishat Mazumdar. The soft loan window of World Bank. Here character A is MIGA Mega, character B IBRD, character C IDA, character D IFC, character E ICSID. Out of five alternatives, we saw that character C is correct, IDA. Who is the father of geometry? Character A Aristotle, character B Euclid, character C Pythagoras, character D Kepler, and character E Newton. Here the correct answer is Euclid. A Farewell to Arms was written by character A Charles Dickens, character B Ernest Hemingway, character C Thomas Hardy. Character D. Leo Tolstoy. Character E. William Shakespeare. Here the correct answer is Ernest Hemingway. Character B. OTC stand for character A. Over the counter. Character B. Over the court. Character C. Over the counter. Over that counter. Character D. Over that court. And character E. Old Town City. Here the correct answer is character A. Character A. Over the counter. Addis Ababa is the capital of A. Jordan, B. Nigeria, C. Ghana, D. Ethiopia, and E. Zimbabwe. The correct answer is Ethiopia. Character D. The Olympic Games in 2012 took place in A. Los Angeles, B. Sydney, C. Seoul, D. London, E. Beijing. Out of 5 alternatives, D is correct, so the correct answer is London. Shirin Ebadi, who won the Nobel Prize in Peace in 2003, is from A. Iraq, B. Nigeria, C. Iran, D. Libya, E. Egypt. Out of 5 alternatives, C is correct, so the correct answer is Iran. The length of the proposed Podda Bridge: A. 4.1 kilometers, B. 5.2 kilometers, C. 6.15 kilometers, D. 6.75 kilometers, E. 7.25 kilometers. Out of 5 alternatives, C is correct answer, so the correct answer is 6.15 kilometers. Who did not receive Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Bernard Shaw, C. T.S. Eliot, D. Bertrand Russell, E. Pablo Neruda. Out of 5 alternatives, A is correct. So the correct answer is Leo Tolstoy. Thank you all.